Folks, today I wanted to share an unusual flight with you. I was flying a couple of days ago and it was really windy. Every flight has some wind, but this time I encountered 71 knot winds at altitude and a rather gusty landing. So join me in the cockpit and you can come see for yourself.
Wow, this is what every pilot doesn't like seeing on the screens. Right now, we are level at 9,500 feet, but we have a 68 knot headwind. That is probably the most I've had in this plane. And as a result, my airspeed, indicated airspeed is 139. I'm at 62% power. And my ground speed is 96 knots. Got a true airspeed of 165, 166 knots, 99 knots across the ground.
Okay, time to go home now. And what I like to do whenever I come to a land, I always load up an instrument approach into the panel, even when it's clear blue sky. This helps me with situational awareness, and it also gives me a glide slope indicator on the PFD. So now I'm going to load up the RNAV 24 approach at Poughkeepsie, and I'm going to take an initial approach fix of VECU, and I'm not going to bother putting in a minimum altitude because it's clear blue sky.
All cameras are...
Wind check. Wind 26017, gust 27.
That's a rather big wind. Screen is showing a 30 knot headwind and a 17 knot crosswind. Hopefully it's a little lower when I get lower. Okay, wind is still pretty hairy. Alright, we're going to turn the autopilot off and we're going to just fly it by hand. We're trying to keep that glide slope there and the flight path marker on the runway, but it is windy. Okay, we're slowing down so I can get full flaps. Now we're gonna go even lower. See, the wind is bouncing me all over the place. Okay, a little lower, wind's a little calmer. 20 knot headwind now. Whew. And touch tower 7 Tango Juliet, 3 mile final.
Tower 7 Tango Juliet, wind 27018, gust 27, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land, 7 Tango Juliet. I should have said clear to land runway 24, but oh well. Now we're going to carry a little extra power here. I'm carrying a little extra altitude, so I have a little buffer. We're above the glide slope, but that's intentional. Let me get... Okay, crosswind is calming down, that's good. Ooh. As we bounce to the finish line. I'm checking it. Wow, that was amazing.
Cirrus 7 Tango Juliet, left or right when able, ground point 8 went off. And do you have a pie rep on the flight conditions for final there?
Very windy, very bumpy.
Any wind shear at all?
No wind shear, but the winds were at 2,000 feet. They were about 30 headwind and 17 crosswind.
Roger, thank you. You can turn left or right when able, ground point 8.
Okay, right on Gulf.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. Or maybe it's over there. Or wherever the button is, just make sure you hit it.